everyone! Welcome back! You know what guys? Meron pa ako na-discover din naman na bagong recipe. Bagong ulam. If you want po pork adobo, tapos lalagyan nyo po ng gulay, tapos lalagyan nyo din po ng tofu, pwede yan. So yun na one plate lang. Ang tawag ko po sa recipe na ito ay shredded tofu with pork adobo with string beans. So come on, let's try this recipe. We need 2 bars of tofu. So, naka-drained na po ito. And then, we're gonna cut it into strips. The only good method po of cutting tofu is to cut it by hand. So, para di po siya maghiwa-hiwalay. Using a knife, we have to cut it into 1/2 inch lang. So, not so very thin po. Para di po siya madurog. Especially po when frying our tofu. For a deeper flavor po, season the tofu with salt and pepper or seasoning granules po. Pwede niyo pong lagyan yan para may dagdag lasa po yung ating tofu. We need 6 to 8 string beans. So, cutted na po ito into 1.5 inch long. We have 1/4 kilo of our pork. So, cut lang po natin ito into strips or small bite size lang po at aadobohin po natin ito later. So, once our pork is already cutted, we're gonna make an adobo na. We need 1/2 tablespoon of our ground pepper. Then, we're gonna add 3 pieces of our bay leaves. Then, 4 tablespoon of our soy sauce. At saka 4 tablespoon din po ng ating vinegar. Now, let's add 2 cloves of minced garlic. Tapos po yung ating onion. So, 1 medium size of onion sliced. While waiting po ng ating pork adobo na maluto, magluto na din po tayo ng ating tofu. So, preheat lang po natin yung frying pan, then add na po ng oil, tapos stir fry po yung tofu hanggang sa maging golden brown or naluto na po both sides. Tapos, turn off na po yung heat, transfer into a plate, and set it aside lang. Wow! So, ayan. Darker na po and tender na po yung ating meat. This is the perfect time para ilagay na po natin yung ating string beans. Ayan. So, medyo maliit po yung ating pinag-adobohan. Transfer nga po natin ito sa ating frying pan. So, stir lang po. Tapos, mix lang po everything. Then, wait na lang po natin na maluto po yung ating string beans. Ayan, luto na po yung ating string beans. Tapos, let's pour in po yung ating fried tofu. Then, mix it well until po na maging totally combined po ang ating mga ingredients. We have here 2 tablespoons of our oyster sauce to add an extra flavor. And then, you have to mix it well. The secret is here. Lemon.
Ito muna.
Kalahati lang po. So, just squeeze a half amount of lemon to add a very special taste. ayan nga po guys, yung ating shredded tofu with pork adobo and string beans. Sa pagluluto po, kailangan lang po natin na maging creative para makagawa po tayo ng ating own recipe. If you like this recipe, just like this video and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell for more updates. Ito po ang muli sa lornahermocilla'svlogrecipe na nagsasabing ang mga bagay-bagay na pag-aaralan yan. Basta't may tiyaga ka lang. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you again on my next video. Bye!